A lot of people are saying that I have to do a portrait. So let's see. This is a face, and we have divided 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and 1 by 3, because in between the eyes there is a one more eye size. Now these are this lips to nose. There is one more straight line from eyebrow to the lip line, and these are the lines which is touching. So we will ensure that all our lines are meeting. These are the points which are important points. Now let us take an example of what a lot of people today say Loomis method. So I put this Loomis method here and draw this curve, and this is the curve. Now how it would look like: this is the line of the eyes and the eyebrow, this is the lip line, and here the circle of nose. Okay, now what it would look into the design which we have seen it, this is how it would look like with the penetration and overlaying of the proportions. So let us draw the circle, and then we draw the angles of it. Then this is the lip line and this is the nose. Now from here we will start drawing everything, but I would love to start with the eye and see where it land up. Now from here I would do the nose, and I keep on increasing and checking that if there is anything I need to check or I need to correct. So see, if the lines are straight, then I would be drawing the correct one, because again my settings are different. I'm losing my light, I am sitting in a hotel, a lot of challenges are there. So now I have made all the lines, necessary lines I require to draw this. Now I have started drawing the eye. Somehow I'm feeling that the eye is not in angle, so erased it and I made it an angle. Now that everything is in the angle, now we can really work on it and start and working on the eyebrows and giving it a shape. So see, I have started giving the cheek and the lips, and even the lips is in a little angle, little tilted. And here, look into the teeth. Don't be panic. I have seen a lot of people do a lot of mistakes in teeth. They just cannot manage the values in the teeth, and they do mistakes. So see, I have done that, and I started working on the hairline and start working on it. I am going to leave this drawing in certain position, and you have to come back and check it out for the next part. But anyway, so once I have done a little bit of it, as because this is not a commission work, I'm not going to go for 100% correction, but I will go and try to do as much as I can. And so once my hands are over, I would start working on the little posture of the shoulders and neckline. And see, I have started adding the values. Now when you start adding the values, this is very very important that you uh, you know walk slowly towards the lighter value to the darker value. Don't really get into darkest position, or else it will create too much of permanent mark and you won't be able to get out of it. Now see, once this is starting, creating this grayscale is coming out, and once this is coming out, you know that what you have to do. So I just erase the lines so that it doesn't, and after the shading I don't have to really erase it. Now I am coming up with the shades which I have to ensure that the darkness and the valuation and the shadows come in. Now to see the complete video and the complete picture, you have to come and watch the next reel. Wait for the part 2. Thank you so much.